Hello there, Stampin' friends. Welcome to Movie Monday with Jody Breckbill, Stampin' Queen. Today's card I'm going to share with you today is one from my Just Cards class. Usually I keep that a very simple, easy, quick, and cute class, but this one is just a couple little additional steps. I found this online. It is a case, and I can't remember who it's from, but it's a cute little buckle card. And so this little flap just slides through there, and there is a sweet little Thanksgiving card ready to go. So I wanted to show you how to create that. We're going to use the Gather Together stamp set. This is from our holiday catalog, and it does have a set of dies that go with it as well, but I'm loving this card for making some quick Thanksgiving cards, and that is coming pretty fast. So I have a piece of Pretty Peacock, which is 8.5 by 4 1/4, and I'm going to score it at 5.5. So I'm going to put my score in there. Then I'm going to take another piece of Peacock, which is 4.5 by 2, and I'm going to score it at 1. That's actually going to make our little belt for the buckle card. So let me get this out of here. And we're going to, so this panel here is just going to fold over, and I'm going to attach some designer series paper. This is, I believe it's called Come Together, is the DSP pack, and I am so loving it. I'm on my 3rd pack already because I have used so much of it. This little panel is going to fold right here, and so you'll see that it will just go right like that. Super easy. And to make the little slide, I'm going to use my classic label punch, and this is, I didn't measure, it's just kind of eyeballed. I know some people get a little freaky when you say eyeball things. I'm going to go up maybe a 1/2 inch, and I just want to make sure that I'm kind of even on both sides, and I'm just going to punch out a slot for that to go in. So now I'm going to take, let me see, I think I might be doing this backwards, but let's see what I think here. Let's see. Yeah, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some adhesive on the little 1-inch flap. I'm going to slide this in right here, fold this one down, and then it's going to come over and just line up exactly even with the edge of your cardstock. So there you go. So we're going to cover that piece up, this guy right here, with another piece of our designer series paper. Designer series paper. I'm not speaking very clearly today. I normally make videos on Sunday mornings, and it is not Sunday morning. I don't even know what day today is, but I've got the stuff, and I wanted to do some stamping, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to take my Pretty Peacock and stamp my inside sentiment on a panel of Very Vanilla. While I have that out, I'm also going to take a piece of Very Vanilla with my stitched shape oval, and I'm going to stamp my Gather Together. So I can get this out of the way. Pull in a little bit of crumb cake and stamp my wheat sprig here. Get that out of my way. And let's go ahead, we'll put our panel inside. It's gonna go right here. And you just wanna have it nice and even, you know, in between, nice even mat there. We can close this guy because we want to make sure when we're putting this on that we do not have any adhesive over here. It needs to only be on that little belt part. And so I'm just going to put 2 dimensionals here, lay this down, and ta-da! How quick and simple is that? That is just such a fun, gorgeous little card. So I wanted to share that with you. Thanks so much for joining me, y'all. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week for Movie Monday.